Hey everyone, I'm back with quick injera recipe. Today we are making it from brown teff and cosco pancake mix. I have 2 cups of brown teff, 1 cup of cosco pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and I'm going to use blender to mix all of it. And I have 1.5 cup of starter. You might be wondering why I'm adding pancake mix to teff flour. Sometimes, depending on where your teff is grown, it's hard to make it on its own and doesn't turn out good. This is like a little quick fix, or if you just want to try something new. Yeah, I'm giving you as many options as I can so you can try and make it. So I am just mixing as you've seen it, and then we're going to keep it in a warm spot overnight. This is what it looks like the next morning. I am going to drain off the top liquid, most of it, but I'm not going to discard it. We'll use that to adjust the consistency. This injera looks very pretty. It turned out perfect. And the white stuff that I'm using to wipe the grill is bicarbonate soda, or you could just use paper towel. It's optional, you don't have to. It doesn't make any difference. Overall, I made 5 large injeras and I saved 2 cups of a starter. This turned out really good. As you can see, the backside is very smooth and it was very delicious too. Well, that's all there is to this video. I hope you try it and let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.